Well, the government work report has always also touched upon other major policies and issues. Joining us now for more on that is CGTN's Wang Guan. Wang Guan, what are your main takeaways from this report?
Rochelle, we know that last year the Chinese economy grew at the slowest rate since 1990. Beijing felt the pinch and now they're doing something about it. On Monday, China announced new measures to cut taxes for businesses. The 2 trillion yuan, which is about $300 billion tax cut, is the largest of its kind in recent memory. To put that in perspective, last year's figure was just 1.3 trillion yuan. Now, the new tax cut covers sectors ranging from manufacturing and construction to transport and services. Small businesses are really the focus here. For example, if you own a small business in China, you don't have to pay value-added tax unless your monthly revenue is over 100,000 yuan. The previous threshold was only a third of that. Now, to lower burden for businesses, Beijing also lowered fees. Among them, the compulsory pension copay for companies are now down from 19% to 16%. Healthcare, another major issue, Chinese Premier Li Keqiang vowed to tackle, especially on serious illnesses and cancers.
We will lower and unify the deductible line for serious disease insurance, raise the reimbursement rate from 50 to 60%, and further reduce the burden of medical care for people with serious diseases and people living in poverty. We will strengthen the prevention and treatment of serious diseases. Tens of millions of Chinese families are affected by cancer. To ease this pain that has such an effect on people's lives, we will take action in cancer prevention and treatment and promote preventive screening, early diagnosis and treatment, and breakthroughs in cancer research.
Yet still, so many concerns remain. For example, how to make important life-saving cancer drugs more affordable, when will insurance companies add even more of them in their coverage, and how to deal with chronic vaccine scandals and food safety concerns. The next big issue is employment. Though China's urban unemployment rate is around 5% in 2018, some speculate the real picture could be more complicated. On Monday, Beijing announced that it will allocate 10 million yuan or $1.5 million to train some 15 million Chinese workers to help them find jobs or move up the value chain. Rochelle, back to you.
All right, thank you, Wang Guan, and we will chat again in just a moment.